Hey, what's up, guys? Probably nice seeing me do the intros to the videos, but we are on our way to LSFEST. The van, she's running good. It took about a couple weeks to get it ready to go, but she's running good. We are probably about 4 hours out from LSFest. The drive through West Virginia is probably the longest part. It takes about 4.5 hours to make it from where we live down to the border of West Virginia and Ohio. So right now we're probably about 30 minutes outside of Charleston, which is the capital of our state. So we probably have like another good hour and a half left just in West Virginia till we make it there. We did, on the way down, actually see some pretty cool cars. Supposedly there is a rally going on in Illinois this weekend, and we were fortunate enough to see the cars going to it. It was pretty cool. Lamborghinis, there was a Altima, I'm pretty sure it was a Rolls Royce, some Ferraris, Porsches. It was pretty cool because, I mean, being in this state, you don't see those cars at all. I mean, no one in this state has those. So it was really, really cool to see those drive through this state. I'm sure the guys that were in that were just loving it because if you guys are from here, you know our roads. I mean, some roads are good, some roads aren't, but the roads are fun to drive on, the views in this state. So I'm sure for them guys, if it's their first time in the state, they probably love driving through here and seeing all this stuff. Made a pit stop at Advanced Auto Parts. Shout out to them. They've helped us out a lot with everything we've been doing. But we had to pick up a few things. Had to pick up a little battery shim thing for our battery in the back. That's going to help us keep everything charged for the week. Richard's actually in there right now getting the stuff. He's getting a few other things just to help clean like the windows and stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, guys, pretty much that's it. We are, like I said, on the way to LSFest. We are both very, very pumped for this. Like we mentioned in the Berkeley Springs video, there will be drifting, drag, autocross, circuit racing, off-road. There's going to be a full bolt-on challenge. Basically anything to deal with an LS is going to be at this event. So we are very excited to be there and showcase it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We are going to get back on the road and finish this drive out. So we will check in with you later on.